In a world where the rules of finance are ever-changing, a single investment decision can significantly shift the course of your financial trajectory. One choice, one move, can mean the difference between financial security and uncertainty. It's not the whims of fate that dictate this course, but rather the power of knowledge that provides you with the ability to make these informed decisions. Such knowledge is crucial. It's the compass that guides you through the complex maze of the financial world. It empowers you to discern the right opportunities, to understand the potential risks and rewards, and to wisely navigate the precarious waters of investments. And acquiring this knowledge is not as elusive as it may seem. A treasure trove of this wisdom can be found in an often overlooked resource: books. Books, as we know, are timeless vaults of wisdom. They take the distilled insights and experiences of experts and offer them to you in a way that is both accessible and comprehensive. Over time, these insights can hone your financial intuition, and empower you to make the kind of informed investment decisions that can unlock your financial prosperity. Today, we will delve deep into the pages of the top 5 investment books, each one a beacon that could potentially illuminate your path to financial success. Each one a key that could unlock the door to your financial. Our journey begins with the book Millionaire Teacher, penned by Andrew Hallam. From an everyday high school teacher, Hallam embarked on an incredible financial journey that saw him rise to the ranks of the world's esteemed millionaires. His inspiring story, filled with ups and downs, twists and turns, reveals how he meticulously managed his income, invested wisely, and built an impressive portfolio. He started his journey with small savings from his teacher's income, and over time, with smart investments and consistent savings, he amassed a fortune. Hallam's narrative is truly a powerful push to step into the realm of personal finance and the art of low-cost portfolio building. However, his book is far more than just a memoir. It is an enlightening financial guide for the masses. It serves as a comprehensive manual, a financial roadmap that guides readers through the labyrinth of money management. Andrew Hallam's teaching background gifted him with the knack to simplify complex subjects, and this talent shines through in his book. In his magnum opus, he demystifies the often intimidating world of financial concepts. He explains key concepts such as the power of compound interest, the importance of diversifying investments, and the benefits of low-cost index funds in an easy-to-understand language. His book transforms the arcane financial jargon into digestible information, making it a crash course in money management. His teaching background and his personal journey combine to simplify complex financial concepts for everyone to understand. Next, we journey into the realm of value investing with The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Born in 1894, Graham was a highly acclaimed economist, professional investor, and the pioneer of value investing. He took his first steps in Wall Street as a runner at the age of 20, and eventually established himself as a renowned figure in the world of finance. His wisdom is encapsulated in the pages of his seminal work, The Intelligent Investor. Graham, throughout his life, developed tools and strategies that fundamentally changed the approach to investment. His principles of investing based on the intrinsic value of a stock and the concept of margin of safety have transformed the field of investing. His teachings have been instrumental in shaping successful investment strategies, inspiring luminaries such as Warren Buffett. The Intelligent Investor is a comprehensive and pragmatic guide for understanding and evaluating stocks. The book is constructed on the bedrock of Graham's extensive knowledge and experience. It outlines key principles of sound investing, such as the importance of portfolio diversification, the concept of Mr. Market, reflecting the psychological aspects of the market, and the emphasis on long-term investment rather than short-term speculation. Despite the dynamic nature of the market and the constant evolution of financial trends, his book has withstood the test of time, maintaining its relevance even in today's economy. This speaks volumes about the quality of his teachings. It continues to serve as a beacon of wisdom for those braving the turbulent seas of the stock market, proving that the principles of value investing remain. We then delve into The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, penned by the legendary finance figure John C. Bogle. As the founder of Vanguard Group, Bogle was a torchbearer for affordable index investments, and his innovative methodologies brought about a seismic shift in the investment arena. His book serves not only as a guide and a teacher, but also as a champion for simplicity and judiciousness in investment practices. Bogle has consistently advocated for low-cost index funds in his illustrious career, and his advocacy comes from the belief that these funds, given their simplicity, yield substantial long-term profit. Diving deeper into his book, one discovers that he dissects the intricacies of investing with surgical precision. He simplifies complex investment concepts and strategies into readily comprehensible chunks, making it accessible to everyone, from novices to seasoned investors. His investing philosophy is clear. He believes in simplicity, common sense, and low-cost index funds. The book is a reflection of these beliefs and provides a clear guide map to navigate the often daunting world of investing. He believes that by investing in a broad-based, low-cost index fund, the net return is virtually certain to exceed the results of the average fund. His approach emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and discourages speculative trading. Key takeaways from his book include the principles of investing in low-cost index funds, the importance of long-term investments over short-term speculation, and the understanding that simplicity often trumps complexity in the attainment of financial success. His book is a testament to his belief in simplicity and common sense, presenting the intimidating world of investing in easy-to-digest pieces. The expedition into the world of finance proceeds with A Random Walk Down Wall Street, penned by the economic titan Burton G. Malkiel. Known for his profound knowledge and understanding of economics, Malkiel astutely dives into the realm of investments, unraveling their complexities. He crafts a persuasive narrative centered around the philosophy that patient and long-term investing is the key to financial success. His strategy illustrates the benefits of maintaining a diversified portfolio, minimizing trading to reduce costs, and capitalizing on market efficiency. Malkiel's magnum opus throws light on an array of contemporary financial subjects that are critical in today's volatile market. One such topic is cryptocurrencies, an emerging and intriguing domain. He dedicates a significant portion of the text to a thorough exploration of cryptocurrencies, highlighting their potential to usher in a new era of digital transactions. Beyond this, Malkiel also delves into tax loss harvesting, an imperative method to offset gains with losses, thereby effectively minimizing tax liabilities. This strategy is extensively articulated, demonstrating its potential in safeguarding investments during market downturns. Further, Malkiel has the gift of simplifying intricate financial jargon, thus making the world of finance more accessible to the average reader. He elucidates key concepts such as efficient market hypothesis, modern portfolio theory, and the random walk theory, effectively demystifying the intimidating world of finance. Ultimately, this book emerges as an all-inclusive guide for modern investors, encompassing a wealth of knowledge from investment strategies to financial concepts. It's a must-read for anyone who wishes to make well-informed financial decisions in the ever-changing economic landscape. Our journey culminates with The Dhandho Investor by Mohnish Pabrai. This seminal piece of literature ventures gracefully into the intricate realm of finance investment, bringing to life the panoramic view of the market's topography. Pabrai, a triumphant investor himself, harvests bountiful wisdom from the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. He ingeniously weaves Buffett's principles into the narrative, underscoring the potency of single-minded investing. Pabrai's investment philosophy, as articulated in his book, is rooted in the practice of procuring businesses at considerable markdowns to their underlying intrinsic worth, thus ensuring a substantial safety net. This approach is heavily influenced by Buffett, who advocates for value investing, acquiring stocks for less than their intrinsic values. Pabrai takes this concept a step further by stressing the importance of buying businesses, not just stocks. He believes not just stocks. He believes in understanding the business model, its competitive advantage, and its future potential before making an investment. In addition, Pabrai emphasizes the critical role of patience and discipline in the investing process, another core principle borrowed from Buffett. He encourages investors to wait for the right opportunity, even if it means sitting on cash for extended periods. The book is more than just a read, it's an immersive journey into the mindset of a successful investor. Diving deep into the essence of Pabrai's investment philosophy, The Dhandho Investor uncovers the art of searching for hidden gems in the market, maintaining patience until the right opportunity materializes, and having the conviction to invest heavily when such an opportunity arises. It brings forth the essence of focused investing, making it an engaging read for both novice and elite. In finality, these 5 paramount books offer indispensable knowledge on the art of investing. Millionaire Teacher serves as a user-friendly guide simplifying the complex world of personal finance and teaching readers how to maximize their wealth. This book's key takeaway is the power of frugality and index fund investing. Then we have Intelligent Investor, a monumental book that introduces the reader to the investing. It provides comprehensive methods for evaluating the intrinsic value of companies and making informed investment decisions, thus offering a roadmap to successful stock analysis. Next up is The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. This masterpiece decodes the mystery of index funds. It emphasizes the importance of low-cost index fund investing, illustrating that simplicity, complexity, in investment strategies. The tome, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, introduces a revolutionary strategy for future investing. Its main emphasis is on the efficient market hypothesis, which argues that beating the market is virtually impossible. This significant insight helps readers to make smarter investment decisions. Heading towards The Dondo Investor, this book accents the concept of focused investing. It provides a unique perspective on buying businesses cheaply and profiting generously, akin to the mindset of successful business owners. Each of these books is more than just a cluster of pages. They are tools, valuable mentors, allies in decoding the convoluted world of investing. When armed with the knowledge these provide, the secrets of the financial world become an open book, waiting for your discovery. Their power is profound, influencing not just your understanding of investing but also the trajectory of your financial future. By arming yourself with these books, you will unlock the secrets they contain and witness the metamorphosis of your financial future.